If you have a W210, it's very likely that your visor mirror covers are not intact anymore. It just happens over the years. The plastic gets brittle and it breaks. So I'm going to show you how to replace them with new ones. So here's the part number, and that is the color code at the end. This is for the gray visors. So if you have a black interior or gray interior, that's the color. So this is the part number you'll need. If you have the tan interior, you'll have to get a different color code, but the part number is still the same. You can use your VIN number to look up your color code. First step is actually really simple. I would just go ahead and break off the cover if you're going to replace it. So you just grab the mirror from right here, pull down, and pry out. It might be easier with two hands, or you could just get it with one and carefully remove it. You'll see this one, the little clicker is stuck to this. We're going to put it back. This is the thing that activates the light. So we're just going to pry that off gently and put it back into its place right here. Okay, so to put the clicker back in place correctly, you see when I pull it out that it goes into these two holes. So you're going to want to route the cables up here where it clips in and it goes around, and then it just goes right in there. That is the correct position for the clicker. What you want to do is have the mirror open and then go from top to bottom. So once you verify that the light works, go ahead and close it. And then we're going to push the bottom pieces in until it clips. So we're just going to push until it snaps in. So this actually kind of feels pretty bad, but just go slow, go gentle, and it'll be fine. All right, here it is all clipped in. So what I was doing there, I couldn't catch it on video, is I was pushing it up and in, and that is the easiest way to get this to line up. So now everything is lined up perfectly. When we open the mirror, we have our light. Works perfectly. We're good to go. So that is how you replace the vanity mirrors in the W210. I believe this will apply to 99 to 2002. The design of the sun visors were slightly different from 96 to about 98. So I hope you found the video helpful, and thank you for watching.